So, thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to take your protein shake after workouts. So post workouts you can have 2 scoops of proteins. So generally the scoop is given there, and you can just try mixing some water because it's an isolated protein. I would like to have it with water, and if somebody wants to have with milk, they can if they want muscle gaining. So either 1 scoop or 2 scoop. If someone have pain in the knee or maybe in joints, they can have liquid Sheelajit and have this protein shake. Okay guys, thanks for watching. I have my shake post workouts.